Best deals.
1. Pressure cooker. Heavy gauge heat diffusing metal core, spreads heat evenly through base and up the sides for quick, even cooking. Superior food grade stainless steel inside, stronger, more durable and hygienic. Uniformly heats base and sides, food and spices do not burn and stick. Featuring a heavy gauge heat diffusing metal core. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Flat mop. Enjoy on-the-go cleaning with its built-in spray system, 360 degrees swivel mop head, and ultra-absorbent microfiber pads. Just spray and glide, cleaning has never been this smooth. No bucket needed, refill the cartridge with water or cleaning solution for instant use. Easily cleans under furniture like sofas, tables. The rectangular design is perfect for reaching hard to clean spots like wall edges and corners. The 36 cm wide mop head and flat design covers more area in a single wipe, clean more in less time. Designed for use on hardwood, tile, laminate, and stone. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Sprouts Maker. Is ideal for sprouting Indian variety of grains, seeds, dals, and chole, providing you with a constant supply of nutritious sprouts for salads, snacks, or cooking with a hygienic Sprout Maker glass jar. The quality sprouting box jar construction ensures that this Sprout Maker remains a reliable companion in your kitchen, providing long-lasting utility for sprouting hygienic long-root sprouts. Equipped with a unique slanted drainage stand, our Sprouts Maker box guarantees efficient water drainage. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Dinner Plates. An essential Indian dinnerware to present Indian desserts like halwa, pudding, ice cream, snacks like dahi vada, idli vada sambar, and any sweets for authentic Indian dining experience. This plate is made of high-quality stainless steel for optimum durability and has an elegant finish to add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Its unique mirror finish shine make it ideal for your tableware, with features like elegance and durability. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Glass jar. The elegant vertical lined texture not only enhances grip during handling but also adds a modern, decorative appeal that complements both contemporary and traditional kitchen spaces. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Storage Organizer. Designed to store shoes along with blankets, toys, and accessories, this versatile shoe bag helps maximize storage space and keep your home neatly organized. Made with high-quality transparent PVC, allowing you to instantly identify contents without opening the bag, perfect for quick and efficient access. Protects shoes and essentials from dust, dirt, and moisture, keeping them clean and well-maintained. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Sandwich Maker. Is made for almost every occasion. Thanks to its adjustable height, you can easily prepare anything from toasting a jumbo burger to grilling fish or simply roasting veggies. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Strainer. Designed to be your brewing companion, equipped with a handy draining tray, our tea infuser offers a clean post-brew rest spot. This added feature ensures your surfaces are protected from drips, keeping them dry. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Hooks. Heavy-duty hooks can hold up to 10 kg on smooth surface. These adhesive hooks can be used variously: coat hooks, key hooks, bathroom towel hooks. Widely used on a variety of surfaces, like wood, tile, ceramic, metal, plastic surface and more, especially great for bathroom, kitchen, wall decor hooks, shower hooks, indoor and outdoor hooks, towel hooks. Stylish transparent design makes it almost invisible. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Fermentation jar. The plastic lid comes with an epi-ring seal to make it airtight and leak-proof. The airtight glass jar is certified food grade, which means that it is safe for all types of food and liquid. This jar is heat resistant, which means you can pour your boiling water right into it and begin brewing your kombucha or any other hot liquid without having to wait for the water to cool down. Easily make an array of delicious fermented foods. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Shoe rack. Combine 2 or more units vertically or horizontally to expand storage capacity and adapt to changing organizational needs. Whether used in the entryway, bedroom, living room, or wardrobe, it offers stylish and practical storage for shoes, books, or seasonal accessories. Built with waterproof plastic panels that can be easily wiped or washed, the rack stays neat and hygienic for years with minimal effort. With a vertical design and slim profile, this rack offers high capacity without occupying much floor area. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Cast iron tawa. The molten metal takes the shape of the mold and the result is a complex, intricately designed pot or pan which adds the metal where it is needed the most, building strength and functionality. Once the molten metal hardens, the mold is opened and the die-cast pan is removed. The final result is a finely engineered piece of cookware. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Chopper. 4 settings in the slicer dicer disc for fine and thick juliennes as well as fine and thick slicing. Manual 6-in-1 food processor for chopping, slicing, shredding, whipping, mincing and ice crushing and can be used for kneading the dough as well. Additional dough blade for kneading dough hygienically and conveniently. Compact design with a non-slip and durable body, comes with whipper for mixing and beating eggs, now chops meat and vegetables, make salads, knead the dough, make a batter for cakes, pastries and pancakes. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Microwave stand. Is designed to accommodate microwave ovens, OTG, air fryers, mixer grinders, and kitchen essentials, keeping your space clutter-free. Featuring a compact yet spacious design, maximizes storage while adding a modern touch to your kitchen decor. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Dog food bowl. Is an earth-friendly sustainable pet bowl that is extremely lightweight and travel-friendly and made of supreme stainless steel which is pet-friendly. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Peeler. Compact, comfortable Y-peeler shape is easy to maneuver and works with every grip. Sharp, durable, Japanese stainless steel blades won't rust. With an easy-to-maneuver shape, sharp, rust-proof stainless steel blades, an ergonomic non-slip handle, and dishwasher-safe construction, compact design made for fatigue-free peeling. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Glass teapot. Heat-resistant built for durability and everyday use, 760 ml total capacity with separate steeping, 310 ml and serving, 450 ml chambers for precise brewing and easy separation. Advanced magnetic separation system filters tea leaves effortlessly. Comfortable, heat-resistant grip adds a touch of elegance to your tea sessions. A beautifully crafted tea mug that transforms your daily brew into a ritual of calm and connection. Watch your loose leaf tea unfurl and bloom in the crystal clear walls, the full experience, visible and heartfelt. Includes an integrated glass infuser and lid to keep your tea hot, aroma intact, and leaves separated effortlessly. Sleek, ergonomic and ideal for your work desk or cozy tea time. Comes in elegant packaging, the perfect gift for yourself or someone you care about. Every detail reflects our mission at Chaayam, real tea, mindful moments, and everyday elegance. Let each sip remind you to pause, breathe, and savor. Made of borosilicate glass that is stronger and more heat-resistant than conventional glass, high borosilicate A-level glass could stand strong hit and heat from -4 to 480. Shatterproof, scratch-resistant, durable and safe for microwave and dishwasher. Borosilicate glass is the material you want when dealing with any glassware for best results. Insulated glasses so that you can have your cup of coffee, espresso, cappuccino or tea warmer longer and can keep enjoying your delicious, hot beverage to the fullest. A beautifully crafted infusion mug that transforms your daily brew into a ritual of calm and connection. Watch your loose leaf tea unfurl and bloom in the crystal clear walls, the full experience, visible and heartfelt, all natural, sugar-free, zero caffeine herbal tea is loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C that promotes better skin and heart health while also maintaining weight. Tea is high grade, sun-dried pure hibiscus petals packed in loose form, This tea is 100% natural. No artificial flavor, preservatives or color has been used, offering a pure and natural taste. Glass teapot is a versatile addition to your kitchen, designed to work seamlessly on stove-top gas burners. It is perfect for making masala chai as the tea can be boiled directly in the teapot, and the infuser automatically strains it when it's ready. A thoughtful and unique gift for tea lovers or anyone who enjoys a warm beverage. Durable and elegant design, perfect for brewing loose-leaf tea. The handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, so you can easily pour your tea without burning your hand. Product link is given in the 17th link.